Hello, this is me, Ali Raja. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ad, and Bing Ad certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company and SEO consultant. So today I'm here with another interesting case study regarding Google Merchant Center account, which was originally suspended for misrepresentation. And if you ask me the niche, it was the niche is for e-commerce and selling watches. So someone sees an error like this, that is a very cause of concern for them. So yeah, let's get started on the case study regarding the GMC restoration. So this is one of the site which we are able to restore. You can see over here that there you can see a pop-up over here as well, the website. If you scroll below, you can see trust pilot reviews, uh, original certified original Mori optical. You can see a lot of stuff over here as well, eyewears as well. So okay, so what when the client came to us, so we did an audit. We have around 70 steps so far. We have built in for an audit of a GMC account, which is suspended for either misrepresentation, website needs improvement, or any other issue. So we gone through the errors, and let me show you the first report, which was originally created, and this was an originally created report. I'm going to show in front of you guys so you can see. So this was in a report, where we see some placeholders. Placeholders are some editing issues. We also figured out some 404 pages. We also, had a robots file, which was needs an update. We also suggested some information on the footer, and we also, checked email. We also checked on pressing on add to cart, and then we also suggested pages need to be updated. And yeah, there was some Chinese languages added, so it was a little of confusion. This was the first, the report, not the whole report, but when we get them sorted out, we created another report as well, which I'm going to show you as well. So here, at the website header, the number was not clickable, and we suggested a clickable number not will only increase sales but also help you in improving your marks for getting your GMC account approved. Then we also suggested contact page audit. We also did a track page audit, feed issues. Again, reports was missing. We also checked for the email subscription. Uh, and then we also looked on the other GMC issues as well, like missing values of colors. There was some missing issues in the feed, such as age group, gender, GTIN, MPN, or other things as well. And the account, you can see over here, that was suspended for policy violation. So yeah, uh, if you ask me, we spend a lot of time in checking website, and there are multiple people of in my staff who did check up on various angles, various observations they do, so to look around on what could be the possible errors, which is a reason behind the violation of the GMC account. For instance, if you ask me, if there is a written discount of 5% on two products, we manually check it at, are we getting 5% on two products? Is it three? If it's 10% discount on three products or something like this, people have done add-on discounts as well, but they are not always doing the discounts, or there are some unknown issues. For instance, if you have mentioned the Trust Pilot over here logo as well, but not having the Trust Pilot profile in original, your account may not be approved. If you have any issues in payments, if you have added a specific payment, that you support a specific payment but you do not do in your checkout, then your account will not be approved. If your email subscription is not working, if there are any issues like tracking your order page is not working, if there are any issues in product description, backlinks issues, Google is very strict, very very strict in regarding approving the GMC account right now, and people have a lot of time issues. If there are description issues, if the description is not unique, if the product is replica, if you are not complying with what you are claiming, if there are any tax issues. For instance, if you are giving 5% discount to the email, but the person getting email is not actually getting the 5% discount, may be the reason behind the suspension. And then you can see over here, uh, terms of service, privacy policy pages. We have different information, different discussing regarding those. Some for about us pages, and there are a lot of, I mean, 70 plus checklists we have. So that is a huge checklist, huge, work. So I like to appreciate my team to get the account restored. The account restoration process was definitely not easy. And in case, guys, let me show you the account as well before I say something. Now this is a real account. This is the real account. If you see over here that there were no clicks during the period the account was suspended, and now you can see that the clicks have gone to a single click. But that is that the account is approved and not approved, like they were being not approved, but now they are into approved. If you look around at the notifications, you can see uh, different suggestions yet. But the good news is that there are no limits on products issues, any issues, which were like were the reason behind the account not being approved. And you can also link over here as well. So I'm going to refresh it as well so you guys can see the real version as well. So yeah, this was definitely not an easy task to get someone's account approved. You can see everything approved over here as well. And if I move back to my page, so you may have seen that it was not approved and now coming in approved. So yeah, this is another successful case study regarding Google Merchant Center account restored for misrepresentation. The niche was for e-commerce. So in case if you need restoration services for Google Merchant Center, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Bing Ads, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click one of the link in the description so you can work with me and my team. And in case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And if you like this video, guys, make sure to like or share this video. And if you like my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. We also provide, Google Ads services, Facebook Ads, SEO, other services as well apart from suspension. So if you need those services as well, you are more than welcome to reach us through the contact page. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.